All right, we got some goodies today, boys and girls. Today we're gonna be unboxing the new YesWelder DP-200. I'm very excited to unbox this and get into why I purchased this. And I bought all the accessories because I'm gonna have this on my service truck when I'm out in the field so I can do everything and then leave my other welders here at the shop so I don't have to keep swapping them back and forth. So let's get into it. The contents we have, you order this. I bought the package with the TIG lead and the foot pedal and the regulator just so I can have everything extra. So I'm gonna have another TIG welder, but I figured to have better off just have everything out in the field on my service truck. This comes with the MIG gun, graphite liner, power adapter cord, electro holder, work clamp, gas hose, all the drive rolls, and the welding wire. So that's cool. Comes with welding wire. I already have extra anyways. I mean, I know there's no wire in it, but man, this thing's very light and it'd be very nice not to be carrying it around a lot of heavy weight out in the field. Clamp, gas line. So the reason why I went with the YesWelder, because I've actually had one previously, but when I first moved into my shop, someone unfortunately broke into my shop and stole it. But they obviously didn't know what they were stealing because they didn't steal everything else that goes with it. They literally just stole just the box. They ain't taking any leads or nothing else. So that was kind of unfortunate. And then thankfully, I have good friends. Well, mostly just Dylan. Dylan's let me borrow his, I forgot the exact model of his YesWelder, but I've been using his for a while and it's always ran smooth. And so yeah, I thought I'd stick with them. This is not a paid promotion or anything. I just bought this because I like the products. I was deciding if I want to get, it was between an Everlast, the Eastwood, this, and a Lincoln. Main thing came out to be just price. This was like 100,000, or it was like 1,100. Everlast, all those were looking close to like 1,500, 2 grand. So this one came 1,100 with everything and with the aluminum spool gun and all the other accessories I got with it. So that is why I bought it. From my previous YesWelder, it seems that they kind of bumped up the quality and everything. This lead looks really nice. Wow, this foot pedal seems very nice quality. I like that it's kind of got some weight to it. Feels solid. Alright, I just got everything unpackaged. Everything looks to be very good quality material. I'm really excited to put all this to the test out in the field and see how long everything lasts. But like I said, I bought the whole kit. I was sick of having to borrow or like have just a TIG welder for TIG welding aluminum or having to switch back and forth from different machines. So now I got this one so I can just do it all off one machine. Have everything right there ready to go. Now I got everything unpackaged. I'm gonna get some material, some scrap pieces, and turn this thing on and start laying some beads and see what it's all about. Alright, so we just got the gas hooked up. Now I just turned it on. I'm gonna get the wire ran through, and then we'll start tacking up and laying some beads. Fuck! Ah! Basically right there. I was trying to hold it. I was feeding the wire through. This YesWelder has so many functions. You just saw me pressing through them, reading all the stuff. There's so much this offers. I was looking for a button so you can feed the wire through faster, and you just hold this front button down here, I'll show you in a sec. So basically, you just hold this button down and it'll start auto feeding. Pretty cool. For now, I'm running just a little small roll, but I will eventually buy the bigger roll to put in here. So it's cool that you can run both. I really hope all those clips have volume. If not, that's gonna suck big time. Keep forgetting with this new mic that you gotta put a battery in it. Anyways, so that was welding, 1/4 inch. Still kind of hotsy-totsy. But now we got some 1/8 inch thin stuff. We're gonna clean it up and then put some dimes on there. All right, now we got the welder set to 1/8 inch thickness for the material. Now we're about to tack up the T-joint and lay some dimes for you guys. Got the sticker on the bottom. Whoopsies. Not bad, not bad. Alright, now we're gonna try the other side. Alright, well I think that's gonna be it for this video. We just finished doing the 1/8 inch T-joint. I just cleaned both of these up, the 1/4 inch and the 1/8 inch, and I'll show you up close. But I think I was gonna try to do all the TIG welding and everything in one video, but I think I'm just gonna make separate videos for each. So this one will just be the startup and the MIG, and the next one will just be TIG, aluminum, and I'll try some other carbon or maybe stainless or something. And then also try that spool gun, because I've only done that like twice in my life, so I really want to try that out, see how that goes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next ones coming here soon, and you'll see the close-ups of how these welds turned out right now.